can see, this blouse is one of my Lola's favorite. Yes po. Whenever my performance, she always in the audience to watch me. Kahit mga laban ko abroad, kasama ko po siya. But last year, she passed away. But until now, like today, nandito po si Lola. Can you hear me, Lola? You know guys, she love dancing, she love flowers. That's why I have a lot of flower now. Okay? Let's dance. Music, sir. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mapakal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mapakal. Ikaw ka man, ikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mapakal. Yes, and for being stage magician, and we love also fishing. Yes. Sa mamaya, video on YouTube is all about fishing, okay? And today, sa tayo to connect fishing and the magic. Ready? Music, sir!